So these IEMs are from a brand called COZOY, and probably you have not heard about this brand before because it is a new company and it is the first product from them, and it is called D1. So these are priced at around $30 or 2700 Indian rupees, and they just wanted to send me this unit, wanted me to give it a try and also give them a feedback, so that will help them in future development of the product. So I would say that at this particular price point, the packing and all is really very nice. When you will open the box, you will have your paperwork, then you have those IEMs, the cable and all comes pre-attached, and then in that small box you will have your ear tips. You are getting one pair of foam type ear tips and plenty of other ear tips in white color, and you are also getting some double layer ear tips in the box, so we'll get to that in a short while. Now first of all, the IEMs are available in only one color, which is blue, but when you will open the box you will notice that the color of the IEM is blue, but you are getting a purple color cable with this one. I don't know if that was a part of the design or they just couldn't match the color. And when you talk about the housing, so it's made from medical grade resin. The design and feel is very ergonomic. You don't find any sort of sharp edges or corners, and the IEMs are going to fit very comfortably to a lot of people. You don't be having any sort of fitting and comfort related issues. My favorite part about these IEMs was actually the ear tips. You are getting one pair of foam type ear tips in the box, and all the other ear tips are available in like white or transparent white color. I just wish they could have given some kind of black colored ear tips or maybe some purple ones, so that could have gone flawlessly with the color and all. But anyway, you are getting these kind of double layer ear tips in the box. You are getting 3 pair of these kind of ear tips, which is very rare at this particular price point. These kind of double layer ear tips help you achieve better noise isolation. They give you a better fit, a secure fit, I would say. They help in preventing leaking of air in and out of your ear canal, and also they help in enhancing bass. So this was really my favorite part. When it comes to the cable, so you are first of all getting a colored cable at this particular price point, and it's a 4-strand cable. You can bend the cable almost at any degrees, and I just feel the cable is quite sturdy and it's not going to fall apart too quickly. And the cable came pre-attached when I opened the box, so I just dismantled the cable just to check if the cable is a replaceable one or not. So yeah, it's a replaceable cable. And also they paid really a lot of attention to tiny details. So if you look at those ear vents on the IEM, so they have given you colored ear vents on that, which means that red ear vent is for the left side, the right side, and the blue one is for the left side, and you have the same kind of color coding with the cable as well, so you don't be having any sort of hassle or difficulty in pairing the right IEM with the right connector. Now talking about the technical specifications, so these IEMs are coming with a single 10mm dynamic driver with dual magnetic circuit design and dual chambers inside, and you are getting a graphene diaphragm with this one, and the value of impedance is around 32 ohms and sensitivity is around 100 dB. Now just because the impedance is around 32 ohms, so any smartphone would be able to drive it properly, but I paired these IEMs with this entry-level DAC. This is the Audiofiles D7, and it proved out to be a perfect combination. So just in case you have any earphone or an IEM and you want to enhance its audio quality, so you can pair this one with these kind of entry-level DACs. You can get this one like under 1000 rupees. And now let's talk about the audio quality. Now talking about the audio quality, so I would say that this being the first product from the company, so they played it really very safe. They made something that would be universally accepted by a lot of people. So if you are someone who doesn't know anything about audio and you're looking for some good choices that sounds good, that feels good, so this is the perfect option for you. And when it comes to the audio, so I would say that the kind of audio I'm getting from this one is very neutral and balanced, and this is what they mentioned in their documentation as well. Like the low frequencies are extended, or you can say moderately extended, and they have kept the vocals completely centered, and this is what I felt practically as well. Like for the low frequencies of the bass, so it's not a bass boosted IEM like the KZ casters and all, and when it comes to the vocals, so it's not very vocal forward IEM like the Tangzu Warner and all. And when it comes to the high frequency, so it's not giving you very harsh and pinching high frequencies like the KZ's like the KZ IEMs and all. So they have kept all these parameters very much balanced, very much neutral. And I also found that I could use these IEMs very much for music, you can say audio monitoring purpose. So if you're someone who's into music production and if you're looking for some beginner choices out there, so you can definitely go for these COZOY D1. I also tried these IEMs for gaming and all, and just because the impedance is around 32 ohms and the imaging, so that will like give you a very good imaging. It's not a very wide sound stage, but sufficiently wide sound stage and very accurate imaging. So anyway, I would say that very good work from the team, and definitely my feedback I would say would help you in some way or the other to make your upcoming versions of this product better compared to this one. So anyway, this was all about it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.